Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and customize tables in Canva in 2025, step by step. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking to take your designs to the next level, this tutorial will give you everything you need to use tables effectively in your projects. Let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project. Once your document is ready, head over to the Elements tab on the side panel. This is where Canva keeps all its design resources, from graphics and photos to videos. And the feature we're focusing on today, tables. In the search bar, type table, and you'll see a variety of designs pop up. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick one that fits the style and purpose of your project. Once you've found the perfect table, simply click on it to insert it into your document. Just like that, you've added a structured layout that instantly makes your content easier to read and more organized. Now, let's customize it. You'll notice small dots around each column. These are your control points. By clicking them, you can add or remove rows and columns, resize them, and adjust the overall structure to fit your content perfectly. This flexibility allows you to create tables that are not just functional, but also visually appealing. Play around with the size, spacing, and arrangement until your table matches your project's aesthetic. Tables in Canva aren't just about organizing data, they're about enhancing clarity and presentation. Whether it's for a presentation, an infographic, or any document, a well-designed table can make complex information easy to understand at a glance. And that's it. With just a few clicks and some simple adjustments, you now know how to insert and customize tables in Canva like a pro. The more you experiment, the more creative and effective your tables will become. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.